freedom fighters. Freedom fighters are our real heroes who fought for our freedom. They always struggled for national interest. The leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar, Bhagat Singh and many more who never accepted British rule on India. Freedom fighters are brave people who gave this valuable constitution. They organized different protests and movements to oppression Britishers. The Indian Constitution asked to the respected the ideas freedom fighters of India. The fight started in the year 1857 by a freedom fighter Mangal Pandey. Mahatma Gandhi led different movements. Mahatma Gandhi led non-cooperation movement, Satyagraha movement, Quiet India movement. Bhagat Singh exported bomb in parliament to